Welcome! In this video, we're going to guide you through the steps to disable the Live Translate feature on Google Chrome for your PC. If you've recently updated your browser and find that Live Translate is more of a distraction than a help, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome browser. First, locate and open your Google Chrome browser. You can usually find it on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once it's open, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Access Settings. Now look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize various features of Chrome. Step 3. Navigate to Accessibility. On the left side of the Settings page, you will see several options listed. Look for Accessibility and click on it. This section contains features that enhance usability, including Live Translate. Step 4. Disable Live Translate. Once you're in the Accessibility settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Live Translate. You may notice a toggle switch next to it. To turn off Live Translate, simply click this switch so that it changes from blue to gray. This action will disable the feature, preventing Chrome from automatically translating content in foreign languages. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled Live Translate on Google Chrome. If you ever want to re-enable it, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back on. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. See you in the next video.